Hello, my name is Elise, and this is the GK68XS, a 65% with 68 keys Bluetooth hot swappable keyboard by Epomaker. The GK68XS has a very simple design. It has no adjustable feet, so you can't adjust the typing angle. This is no problem to me because I prefer to type on a more flat angle. This keyboard feels very sturdy, has a decent weight to it, and has absolutely no flex when putting some force on it. You have many different options for this keyboard on the Epomaker website, so you can configure the keyboard just the way you want it. Besides the options of having Bluetooth or wired, you can also pick the material of the case. This is either plastic or aluminium. You can also pick the color of the case, the color of the keycaps, and of course which mechanical switches you want. The configuration I have is the plastic case, wireless and with black-gray keycaps. The options I have on this keyboard will be a total of $105. The cheapest option for this keyboard is $95 and the most expensive option is $189. The keycaps on this keyboard are die-subbed PBT keycaps with a GSA profile. So there's no difference in shape between the different keycaps. The texture feels great and this gives them a very premium feeling. If you want to replace these, however, you have to keep in mind that this keyboard requires special sizes of particular keys, which will make it a little bit harder to find a correct keycap set, as this 68 keys layout is not very common. I chose the Gateron brown switches as I wanted to try these ones out since I've only used red switches in the past. This keyboard is hot swappable and supports switches like Gateron, Cherry and Kel, so you have the option to switch things up. The GK68XS also comes with 3 additional switches because this keyboard has a special trick up its sleeve. There's the option to have a split spacebar, which means that besides the space, you can have 2 extra custom macros at your disposal. All you have to do is swap out this little part of the PCB, which comes in the box, with the one that is pre-installed on the keyboard. Insert the switches and put the keycaps on. You can set up these macros in the Epomaker software, which is not the most user-friendly software. However, once you get the hang of it, you have a lot of customization options like macros and RGB. Talking about RGB, this keyboard is fully RGB backlit and can be set up to be quite bright. Epomaker has a reputation of having very pretty and bright RGB. You have to keep in mind though that these keycaps don't let any light through, so this does diminish the RGB effects. This keyboard has many preset RGB effects that can be set up via holding the FN key and the bracket keys. You can change the brightness via the arrow keys as well as the speed of the RGB effect. The wireless version of this keyboard has a 1900 mAh battery, which does run out quite quickly with the RGB on and on its highest brightness. This keyboard is chargeable via USB-C and can also be used in wired mode. Via Bluetooth 5.1, you can connect easily and seamlessly with up to 3 devices at once, and you can quickly switch between devices on the fly. Now a sound test of the GK68XS with Gateron brown switches. Overall, this keyboard sounds pretty good and the stabilizers are factory looped. So we have reached the end of this review, and in conclusion, I have to say that Epomaker did a great job with the GK68XS. This keyboard probably comes with everything that you need at not a super high price, so I would definitely recommend picking this one up. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!